Main Stage 2. A. Listen and write D for David and L for Lily.
Hi, Lily. Where are you going?
Hi, David. I'm going to the sports center.
Wow. Do you like playing sports?
Yes, I like to play tennis. I also like to swim. How about you? Do you like to play sports?
Not really. I don't like to play outside.
Then what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play computer games. Computer games are so much fun.
They are. What else do you like to do?
Well, I also like to watch movies.
I see. Let's watch a movie together sometime.